We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of TaskStar Portable Cordless Pressure Washer. Consists of the following features. Cordless freedom, 26 feet extended reach. No power cord needed. This portable pressure washer enables outdoor cleaning anywhere. Paired with a 26.25 feet or 8 meter extra long hose, its cleaning range is significantly expanded, allowing you to move freely while washing vehicles, patios, or outdoor furniture without constantly moving the water tank. Enjoy efficient, effortless, and refreshing cleaning. 300-watt powerful and durable brushless motor. Delivers more powerful and durable performance compared to brushed motors. It ensures efficient, stable power for your cordless pressure washer, making cleaning tasks like washing your car or patio quicker and more effective. Enjoy quieter operation, less maintenance, and long-lasting reliability that saves you time and money. With a robust 1500 psi, this electric pressure washer delivers a powerful blast for superior cleaning performance. This high-pressure advantage tackles tough grime on your car, patio, and outdoor furniture with remarkable speed and efficiency. Enjoy faster cleaning sessions and effortlessly remove stubborn stains for a spotless finish. This cordless pressure washer comes with two powerful and rechargeable 4000 mAh batteries, allowing for extended, uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Enjoy longer runtime for washing your car, cleaning the patio, or tackling outdoor furniture without the hassle of frequent recharging. This portable power washer features two power settings. Low mode saves more power, while high mode delivers stronger cleaning force. Easily switch between powerful cleaning and gentle, steady rinsing. Not only does it save water and energy, but it also extends runtime when washing vehicles, patios, or outdoor furniture. 6-in-1 multi-angle adjustable nozzle. Simply rotate the nozzle of pressure washer to switch between water flow modes, from a powerful 0 degrees jet, for tough stains, to a gentle spray, for everyday rinsing or watering. Clean cars, patios, outdoor furniture, or windows efficiently, all without changing tools. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.